Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Newmar Dutch Star is a cutting-edge, opulent class of motorhome that promises to provide an unparalleled vacation experience. With its emphasis on elegance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Dutch Star raises the bar for the motorhome market. Important attributes and details: engine and chassis. The 2026 Dutch Star's sturdy Freightliner chassis offers the best possible ride comfort and stability. Its strong and effective performance is fueled by a potent Cummins diesel engine, outfitted with a cutting-edge braking system and air suspension for optimal comfort and safety. Exterior: sleek lines, opulent finish, and an elegant, aerodynamic exterior design. Numerous eye-catching exterior paint options that can be customized to your preferences, including plenty of cargo space, LED outside lights, and a motorized awning. Interior: a well-thought-out interior with opulent finishes and premium materials. With a separate living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, the arrangement is roomy and cozy. Opulent elements including leather furniture, heated ceramic flooring, and LED lighting that can be adjusted. Opulent kitchen features including quartz worktops, stainless steel equipment, and lots of storage. A sophisticated bathroom featuring a porcelain toilet, double vanity, and a shower with a glass door. Cutting-edge entertainment system featuring Wi-Fi access, an LED TV, and a top-notch sound system. Technology: an integrated smart control system that enables touchscreen or smartphone app control of a number of motorhome operations. Cutting-edge safety technologies include a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning systems. Solar power system that is optional for increased energy independence. Navigation system that is integrated. Flooring options: to accommodate the beer's preferences, a range of flooring options are offered. Options for furniture: the beer has a range of excellent furniture to select from.